Let's talk defense for WordPress sites. For developers, the main rule is never trust user input. WordPress gives you built-in functions to handle this safely. See these ESC functions? They're your first line of defense. Anytime you're displaying user data in your theme or plugin, use the correct escaping function for the context. For input, WordPress has sanitization functions. Clean the data when it comes in, escape it when it goes out. For site owners, here's what most of them miss. Outdated plugins and themes are the #1 source of XSS vulnerabilities. That update notification? Don't ignore it. Developers patch security holes all the time. For end users, a carefully crafted XSS payload will evade your detection and you'll likely never even notice. This is where Wordfence comes in. Our web application firewall knows common XSS patterns attackers use against WordPress sites. We block them before they reach your code. For uncommon patterns, we leverage custom WAP rules powered by our threat intelligence and bug bounty program. We see thousands of XSS attempts daily. Comment forms, search boxes, and custom inputs. Wordfence catches these automatically, even if your theme or plugin has a vulnerability. Bottom line for WordPress developers, use the built-in escaping and sanitization functions if you're writing WordPress code. For WordPress site owners, keep everything updated and run a web application firewall like Wordfence. For end users, there's not much you can do to prevent being a target of an XSS attack. This is why it's so important for developers and site owners to implement these strategies that prevent XSS on WordPress. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe, and choose your next video to keep learning.